Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the laptop plugged in not charging notification for your battery. So before we start, I just want to say to subscribe to my channel for other tutorials, and now we can start. So this is gonna be an easy and a quick tutorial, and all you want to do is go to Device Manager, open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Click on the Device Manager control panel. And now what you want to do is just expand or click on the arrow next to batteries. Now just click on the Microsoft AC adapter, so right click on it and click on uninstall device. It should say you're about to uninstall this device from your system, warning, and just click on uninstall. What you want to do now is do the same for Microsoft ACPI compliant control method battery. So right click on it, uninstall device and click on uninstall. And that's it. Now just restart your PC and this problem should be fixed. So if you're worrying about uninstalling the driver, don't worry. Windows will install the drivers on the restart or maybe right after you uninstall them. So let's just go and check them again. Device Manager, and as you can see they are not installed at the moment, but if you restart your PC they will be. Thanks for watching guys, please subscribe, like and comment.